first to the arena, number 31, from Fredonia, PA, Leighton Zacchero. And from Grove City, the number 26, McKenna Saylor. Today, the 425, Eric Neugebauer.
I could probably get access over there.
From Sandy Lake, that's where I was at this morning, the 72B of Braden Cooler.
Is that a V6? Is that Cruiser a V6? They trying better than yours.
Rain on Stoneboro, PA zone. The number 22 is Lance Davis.
Sad, all these cars are running better than mine. Dude, one of these kids wanted to get real bossy.
From right here in the Stoneboro, bring on the 1103, Jake Bertner.
Jaden, remember when we were at Benango, we were sitting by the vent? There's the youth class.
That is the field. Let's get the blocks in place.
Oliver will be in this class. He was the last year.
Little girl's about to drive that power wheel out here and participate in it. I said that she was the future of the sport. She must have heard me. She did hear what I was saying. She pulled out of that arena and she turned right. Her dad ripped the back of that power wheel around. She was coming to play.
If you're 16 and younger, you do.
True story.
All of that, is that LP?
That's okay.
I don't like any of them.
Last call for the number 23 of Tegan Gathers.
But it like all of a sudden started.
Hey, Hud. Hey, Hud. Hey, Hud.
Try getting this.
Stoneboro fans, are you ready for some Demolition Derby action? Oh yeah! The blocks are in place. The officials are in place. We're waiting for green flags up all the way around. Oh, let's give them a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, driver.
Cruiser sounds good. What? That BT Cruiser sounds good.
What they do, I'm Lance Davis, Count McKenna Saylor in the 26.
And not good.
Look out for Leighton Zacchero. Now Jake Bertner, the 1103 to the front of the 31. 72B gets it fired and stalls right back out. Zacchero and McKenna Saylor are back to back.
They're not supposed to be doing that.
31 came to get that. And now Lance in the 22.
I know. I still pressure.
Again, a sailor with a big shot, and Lynch is right behind her. We're lighting it up now. What a start to Saturday's action. Again, a sailor with a hammer time shot in the left front corner of Zanchero's 31. And now Jake Berkner. Jake Berkner is stalled out. He gets it fired. 425 is stalled out. Berkner into Lance, into 22. Lance Davis. Look at the back of that number 22. Wasted. The back tires are up into the doors. Sailor into the front of Lane's 31. James Berkner trying to get the 1103 dialed in. And now the 31. Boys against girls.
That 31's running good.
McKenna gonna fight back. She's gonna take a shot on the right front corner of Zanchero's 31. Money time shot for the number 26. Look what she did to that wheel. Wasted the wheel on the number 31. She's coming back for more. Here comes McKenna. Woo! She got it. Hold up, drivers, hold up, red flag. Calling for fire over here. Let's get them out of that 425. Smelling something a little hot inside the 425. Meanwhile, Lance, look at the back of your car. The wheels are all the way up under the doors on this side. All the way up into the doors. What a story to tell your friends on Monday. They're probably here.
Yeah, we just need to get a bunch of cars and make them.
These kids have started off
I don't know.
night number 1 in fashion.
I'll get my G.
Officials checking out that
I'll have a car
22.
here soon. Might be running.
We're down to 3.
Wait till next year.
Zanchero number 31. Jake Berkner's 1103 and McKenna Sailor's number 26. All right, the track is clear. The green flags are up. Let's go, drivers. Green flag. Zanchero barely has steering after the 26. Got a hold of that left front wheel. Wake him up, number 26.
I think when the
out to the front from the 26 of Sailor. Here comes McKenna again, lighting him up. Watch the driver's door at 11.03. Sailor going to take another look at the 11.03 and now the 31. I don't know how much longer the axles are going to hold on the number 31. Sailor on the move. Now she's looking at the 31. She has got her sights set on Berger's 11.03. Sailor going to use the 11.03 to her advantage. She's got him wadded up against the wall. Gonna split them up. McKenna Sailor sitting on the last hit. The 26 has made the last hit. Satchurl and Berger are free. McKenna Sailor into the front of Berger's 11.03. And now fire coming out of the stack to the 11.03. And Sailor shoves him right into a dead ball. Oh, she got him right where she wants him. Sparks flying out of the 11.03. Zach Curl may be done. The number 31 may be done. And McKenna Sailor, the 26, is laying it to the 11.03. Wasting the right front tire on Jake Berger's 11.03. Zach Curl is on far of time. The number 31 has got to get back in the action. The crowd's all liking what they're seeing. McKenna Sailor, here comes the number 26 man. Got him! Berger into the wall, trying to get the 11.03 free. The 31 has got to be about a wasted him. away from McKenna Saylor. Officials are telling him he's done. That means it's going to be it. The number 26 of McKenna.